Welcome to the training on web development by Nishant Infosys. In this session, we will be introduced to JavaScript, which is a scripting language. Firstly, let us discuss what JavaScript actually is and why it is used so extensively in web development. JavaScript is a versatile programming language essential for implementing dynamic and interactive features on web pages. It empowers developers to create engaging user experiences through interactive effects, animations, form handling, and other dynamic functionalities crucial for modern web development. JavaScript stands out as a pivotal programming language for web development, enabling the integration of intricate functionalities that enhance user interaction on websites. From enabling real-time updates to managing user inputs seamlessly, JavaScript facilitates the creation of responsive and engaging web applications. Before moving further, we must know the difference between client-side and server-side scripting. Client-side scripting refers to code that runs in the user's web browser, allowing dynamic interactions like form validations, animations, and updating content without reloading the entire page. Server-side scripting, on the other hand, executes on the web server, handling tasks such as database interactions, user authentication, and generating dynamic web pages before sending them to the client's browser. JavaScript is primarily used for client-side scripting but can also be used for server-side scripting with platforms like Node.js, offering a unified language for both client and server-side development. JavaScript is one of the most sought-after scripting technology in the field of web development. Here are the reasons why it is a must-know for all web developers. Popularity and versatility. JavaScript's popularity in web development is unmatched, making it the go-to language for creating interactive and dynamic web content. It's not just limited to client-side scripting. JavaScript's ecosystem, bolstered by frameworks like Node.js, allows developers to seamlessly transition to full-stack development, handling both front-end and back-end tasks with one language. Career opportunities. Mastering JavaScript opens doors to a wealth of career opportunities in tech. With businesses increasingly relying on web-based applications, the demand for skilled JavaScript developers remains high. Whether focusing on front-end frameworks such as React and Angular or delving into server-side development with Node.js, proficiency in JavaScript is a valuable asset in today's job market. Now, let us talk about variables in JavaScript. Variables serve as fundamental containers within JavaScript programs, essential for storing and managing data values dynamically. They enable developers to assign names to data that can be referenced and manipulated throughout the execution of a program. By storing values such as numbers, strings, objects, or functions, variables facilitate the flexibility needed to create interactive and responsive applications. Understanding how to declare, initialize, and utilize variables effectively is crucial for harnessing JavaScript's power in both client-side and server-side environments, allowing for the creation of dynamic and scalable web applications. There are mainly three types of variables in JavaScript, namely var, let, and const. Var was traditionally used to declare variables with function scope, allowing their values to be redeclared or updated throughout a function. Let allows block scope declarations, preventing redeclaration within the same block, which is useful for variables whose values may change. Const declares variables that are block scoped and whose value cannot be reassigned once initialized, making it suitable for constants or variables expected to remain unchanged. Now, let us talk about data types in JavaScript. In JavaScript, data types categorize the types of values that can be manipulated and stored within variables. They provide a fundamental framework for organizing and processing information in a program. Primitive data types. In JavaScript, primitive data types are foundational elements that represent simple values directly manipulated by the language. Numbers are used for arithmetic operations and storing numerical data, encompassing both integers, like 10, and floating point numbers, such as 3.14. Strings, enclosed in single or double quotes, handle textual data and facilitate tasks like text manipulation and output. Booleans, representing logical values true and false, are pivotal for decision-making and control flow within programs, determining the execution path based on conditions. The undefined type signifies variables that have been declared but not yet assigned a value, while null denotes deliberate absence of any object value, often used to reset or clear variables. Complex data types. In contrast, complex data types in JavaScript enable developers to create sophisticated data structures and employ advanced functionalities. Objects, a versatile data type, store collections of key-value pairs where each key is a string or symbol, and each value can be any data type, including other objects or functions. They are instrumental for organizing and manipulating complex data and behaviors within applications, offering flexibility and extensibility. Arrays, specialized objects, facilitate storage of multiple values sequentially, accessible through numeric indices. Arrays streamline operations on ordered collections of data, providing methods for iteration, manipulation, and transformation of elements. Mastery of both primitive and complex data types equips developers with the necessary tools to build dynamic and scalable JavaScript applications, leveraging the language's capabilities to handle diverse data requirements efficiently. Primitive data types are further classified into the following. Number, used to represent numeric values, such as integers, example 10, and floating point numbers, example 3.14. Crucial for performing mathematical calculations and storing quantitative data. String represents sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes, allowing manipulation of textual data, example hello, world. Strings are essential for tasks involving text processing and manipulation. Boolean represents logical values true and false, integral for implementing conditional logic and decision-making within programs, example true. Booleans control program flow through conditions and comparisons. Undefined indicates a variable that has been declared but not assigned a value yet, denoted by the keyword undefined. It's commonly encountered when variables are declared without initialization. Null represents the intentional absence of any object value, used to signify empty or non-existent data, example null. It is distinct from undefined, indicating a deliberate lack of a value. The given code is an example of how we can declare the different primary data types. In this example, we define several variables using primitive data types in JavaScript. Number value stores the integer 42, demonstrating the use of the number type for numerical values. String value holds the string hello, world, showcasing the string type for textual data. Boolean value is set to true, illustrating the Boolean type for logical values that can be either true or false. Undefined value is initialized with undefined, indicating a variable that has been declared but not yet assigned a value. Lastly, null value is assigned null, representing the intentional absence of any object value. Each type serves distinct purposes within the program, illustrating how primitive data types in JavaScript facilitate the storage and manipulation of different kinds of basic values essential for programming tasks. This is the output of the previous example. Complex data types are of two types, object and arrays. Let us discuss about these. Object is a versatile data type representing a collection of key-value pairs, where each key is a string or symbol, and each value can be any data type, including other objects. Objects are used to store and organize complex data and behaviors, example name, John, age, 30. Array is a specialized type of object used to store multiple values sequentially in a single variable, accessed using numeric indices, example 1, 2, 3. Arrays facilitate the manipulation and iteration of lists of data items efficiently, essential for tasks requiring ordered collections. Next, let us take a look at an example of complex data type, which is shown in the code snippet. In this example, we define a variable person using a complex data type in JavaScript, namely an object. The person object encapsulates various properties and behaviors related to an individual. Properties such as first name, last name, and age store basic data types, string and number. The hobbies property is an array containing strings representing activities the person enjoys. The address property is another object containing nested properties, street, city, state, that describe the person's location. Additionally, the sayHello property is a function, method, defined within the object, allowing the person object to introduce itself dynamically using the this keyword to refer to its own properties. This example demonstrates how complex data types like objects in JavaScript allow for structured organization of data and behaviors, facilitating more advanced and dynamic programming capabilities within applications. And this is the respective output of the code in the previous example. I hope you have understood the basics of JavaScript. We will discuss more about it in the next session. Thank you.